Hey, I'm Tom from Powerin, the AI tools that grow your LinkedIn and X audience naturally through automated comments. And in this video, I'll show you how to use Boolean operator in Powerin to filter posts on LinkedIn so you only comment on the most relevant high quality content. So let's dive in. By default, a keyword like marketing will match every post containing that word. And that's a lot of noise. So Boolean operator lets you combine, exclude, and filter keywords so Powerin only target posts that actually match your ideal audience. Let's go through each operator one by one. And the first one is quotes. And it works for exact phrase match. Wrap a phrase in quotation mark to match it exactly. Example, product manager. Powerin will only target posts containing that exact sequence of word. Not just any post mentioning product or manager separately. Use it for multi-word concept where precision matter. One note, common words like in, by, or with are ignored inside quotes. So keep your phrase meaningful. So let's see an example here. As you can see, we found that product manager in one sentence is found in all the posts here. The next one is note, and it's used to exclude a word. Type note in capital letter before any word you want to exclude. Example, manager, not programmer, will target posts about manager while filtering out anything mentioning programmer. Use it to remove irrelevant subtopic from a broad keyword. Let me show you the result you'll have with this. As you can see, we do not find the word programmer on those posts, but the word manager. The next one is or. It's helpful to broaden your search. Type or in capital letter between terms to match posts containing either one. Sales or marketing or advertising will target posts mentioning any of those three topics. Use it when your audience talk about related subjects you want to cover together. And as you can see, some posts talk about sales and some talk about marketing. The next one is and. And narrow your search. Type and in capital letter to require all terms to be present. Example, a content and finance. We use it when you need specific targeting. And let's see how it works on LinkedIn. And on those posts, you can see that we find the word accountant, finance, accountant, and finance. And now here's a real example of a full Boolean string for LinkedIn. SaaS founder and marketing, but not agency. It will find posts containing the exact phrase SaaS founder, also mention marketing, but exclude anything about agencies. So that's one keyword string doing the work of a full targeting strategy. And as you can see, we find posts that contain the word SaaS founder, the word marketing, but not the word agency. Also remember to always check the daily volume of publication to ensure you'll comment on the search targeted. So Boolean operator takes 2 minutes to learn and they permanently upgrade the quality of your targeting on LinkedIn. Note that everything we see here, you can target this into Powerin. Type your keyword and then save your workflow or save your change. So stop commenting on random posts and start showing up exactly where your audience already is. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.